everybody. I wanted to show you something that has saved a lot of stress for me. This is called a Jiasew, Jiasew. And this machine is what I use to cut out a lot of mask patterns all at the same time. I was able to cut out 14 layers of fabric at one time. Well, I found another use for this. When I started ripping up my carpet, I would have stopped because I tried using a utility knife and I just couldn't do it. It hurt too much. So I tried this and I wanted to show you how well this thing works. Oops. You can cut curves, you can cut straight. This thing has saved me. So I also found out that Harbor Freight has their own version of this. So I just thought I would show you, anybody who does demo or demolition, or anybody who just needs a hand to take up their carpet, because using a utility knife is just so hard to do. So anyways, I hope it helps somebody. Helped me, that's for sure. There you see it again.